from one cool place to another. Don't leave your pet home when you're headed out to dinner. Now you can share a very special meal with your pooch this summer. Peter and Harriet Kuzner are here to tell us more about Doggy Night Dinner at the Diner in Orange Village. Good morning. Great to see you.
Good morning.
And great to see some of your regular customers as well. So tell us about the diner and where you're located.
We're located at the corner of Brainerd and Miles in Orange Village, and it's your quintessential 1940 style diner. It's designed right after the Empire Diner in New York. Looks just like it from the outside, and on the inside, it's a really cute place.
I got to tell you, I checked out your menu too online, and it's just fantastic. You have, 70 different meals to choose from?
Oh, yeah. If you can't find something to eat in our restaurant, then you really shouldn't be there.
And you have some great early bird specials.
Yes.
And you have a very special Monday night for the pets.
That is correct.
And their families. And we've got some photos of your doggy night. So every Monday night, at what time can people bring their pets?
At 5:30, we set up a puppy patio outside, where we actually roll out AstroTurf and set up tables outside, and people come to eat with their dogs, and they enjoy a really fun night, which you can't really do in Cleveland in too many places.
This is just an amazing sight right here. You say the dogs all get along? There haven't been any doggy fights or food fights or anything like that?
They've all been getting along great.
Who came up with this idea?
The owner of the Barclay, which is a pet hotel / all-service pet place down the street, is a very good customer of ours, and he suggested it to us. He thought it would be great, and being dog lovers, we agreed.
Okay, and you even have this really cute menu made up. We have the puppy platters: hamburger, chicken breast, scrambled eggs, grilled cheese. Oh, and you can't forget the ice cream. I want to introduce here Mary Ruth. You actually sent us an email in and said, hey, you have to check out this place. And this is Olivia, right?
I'm Olivia, and I'm used to sneaking her into restaurants.
Oh,
I was very happy to find a restaurant where she could sit at the table with me like a real person.
She is a member of the family. Yeah, she's so sweet.
We love it. We go every Monday night, and there's wonderful people, wonderful dogs. It's so much fun. And the people food is excellent, by the way.
I'm looking at a stack of pancakes here that could feed a family. My goodness. So you have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I said, do you ever have a slow time? And you said no.
No. It's a busy restaurant, and we like it that way. And we also have an amazing Italian menu as well. So that you can literally come in, have an omelet, have a burger, have a pizza, and have spaghetti and meatballs. It's unbelievable.
Boy, this is just a nice family atmosphere as well. And what's the favorite on the menu for the dogs?
I would have to say the burger.
The burger? Yeah.
And of course they enjoy the ice cream.
Yeah, I would say ice cream is the favorite.
I love it.
Yeah, they do.
I notice you have a little bone in the middle there for them.
Yeah.
Another sweet treat. So, oh my gosh, this is awesome. So, is this the first year that you've done this? Will you continue this next summer as well?
We will actually. We started it last summer.
Okay.
And we'll continue to do it for whatever. And we really enjoy it.
Oh, thank you so much. You're so wonderful.
Thanks
you
for
have
having
beautiful children here.
Thank you.
Nice to meet everyone. Everyone's just so well behaved too. And you can check out Doggy Night Dinner at the Diner Monday night, including tonight all summer long. They're located again on Miles Road in Orange Village. Dinner is served from 5:30 until 8 o'clock, so you can head on over to fox8.com for more information. I've never seen anything like this. All these pooches so well behaved.
Yeah, it is weather
permitting.
Weather permitting.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good to know.
Yeah. So everybody knows the dogs do eat outside. You don't bring them in the
No doggies inside. Everybody outside on the patio. All right. Bye, Olivia. She's sweet. She has her own little stroller and everything.
She's adorable.
She's a... Sad stuff over to you.
She's amazing.
Adorable.
You see the golden retriever just passed out in the back. We've been right through it. I know. Oh, it is 8:47 right now, so it's 79 degrees outside.